What's good, YouTube? My name is Vontae and welcome back to the channel, and today I am going to be showing you guys how I make my thumbnails, my beautiful thumbnails. I love my thumbnails, and guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to make these daggone thumbnails real quick. So guys, make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on post notifications when we write this video. And the quality's going to be a little different. I'm recording this on my Android. The quality's kind of sad on this daggone phone. So it's going to be fast, simple, and easy. Let's go and get right into this video, and this is completely free. You only need 2 apps, so let's do it. Okay, you're gonna go ahead and find the picture you want to use. I went ahead and got this picture right here for the thumbnail. You're gonna go ahead and hold down your face right here, or just hold down your figure and mash copy. After that, you're gonna go ahead and mash share. And you're gonna go ahead and scroll down to save image. After that, you're gonna go ahead and get these 2 apps called PicsArt and Fonto. You're gonna go ahead and open up PicsArt. You're gonna go ahead and select the regular picture, mash add. Okay, and now you're gonna go ahead and crop it. I'm gonna try to keep this video raw. I'm not gonna really edit it that much. I'm gonna go ahead and crop it. Okay, go ahead and match 16:9 down here. Get that right in there, good. Now go ahead and match. Now you're gonna go ahead and go to effects. You're gonna go ahead and match colorize. You get to pick any of the colors you want to do. I haven't really used like a green, so I'm gonna use this green one. And after that, you're gonna go ahead and go back to effects. You're gonna go ahead and blur. And you're gonna go ahead and blur just like a tiny bit. And that's blur. And now you're gonna go ahead and go to adjust. You're gonna go ahead and go to contrast just a little bit. Clarity, you can turn it up if you want to. I'm not gonna turn up the clarity. Saturation, make sure that's nice and colorful. That nice green. Now you're gonna go ahead and go to add photo. You're gonna go ahead and find the photo that you saved from the Photos app. You're gonna go ahead and zoom that in, make sure that's nice and perfect. I could move it a little bit. I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna do it about right that. And after that, you're gonna go ahead and go over to shadow. You're gonna go ahead and change the color to white. So you're gonna go ahead and move the position of it a little bit and adjust. You can make that a little bit more better. I like that. And after that, you're gonna go ahead and apply it. You're gonna go ahead and click on this. You're gonna go to effects, and now this is where you do the HDR apply. After that, there you go. Now you're gonna go ahead and go to stickers, type in YouTube thumbnail, and you're gonna scroll down until you find this one right here. It's the viewfinder effect, the one that says 4K recording and everything. You're gonna go ahead and zoom that one in. Okay. And bam, sticker. You're gonna go to sticker, and you're gonna go and type in space, and you're gonna scroll down until you see this effect right here. You're gonna go and zoom this in all the way. I should have put in my viewfinder effect before I did this, but you're gonna go ahead and turn down the opacity very low. You're gonna go ahead and apply that. You're gonna go ahead and change the saturation of the picture just a little bit more, where it can be a little bit more crispier and a little bit more colorful. You're gonna go ahead and save that picture. Now you're gonna go to the second app called Fonto. This is a completely free app, y'all. You're gonna go ahead and go to photo albums. You're gonna go ahead and pick the thumbnail. Now this is where you add this. I'm gonna put the link to this font in the description. It's called Burbank Big Condensed Black. And I got this Minecraft font too, but I don't really think that's necessary. But you're gonna go ahead and type in what you want in your thumbnail. I'm gonna use this thumbnail in this video, how to make, just try to make it unique as possible, I guess. You're gonna go and go to style. You're gonna go and mash create color pattern. Go up here, mash gradient. Pick the first one white, the second one like the lightest gray. After that, you're gonna go to style. You're gonna go to shadow. Turn that alpha all the way up. Turn the blur to about 62. And there you go. You're gonna go ahead and go back to color. You're gonna go ahead and stroke. Turn the alpha all the way up and just make it like a light black like that. Look how good that looks, y'all. That looks very good. Now you're gonna go ahead and type in the second point of the video, thumbnails with the exclamation mark. Now you're gonna go to style, and now you're gonna have to match the text as the color in the background. So I use this green color, y'all, so I'm gonna try to match it the closest to that green as possible. I think that's good enough. Go and turn the alpha up, do that nice and gentle. Go ahead and do like a nice little shadow, 67, 68, 62. I did do 62, so I'm gonna do 62 again. And let me move that over a little bit because this is a little bit big, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to make this. My daggone controller's doing shit on my Xbox, yeah. Okay, and bam, that's pretty much how you make these thumbnails, y'all. And you go ahead and add your emojis. I'm gonna add like this camera emoji. Ooh, I zoomed it in. Okay, let me go and match size. It should all fall in place for y'all. It should be nice and easy for y'all. I hope it does. I hope y'all get this video. But pretty much this is it. Let me go and add like this little sparkle effect. I like this little thing too right here. And you could literally, I think you can put shadows on these things. Yeah, you can. So I'll put a shadow on it. I'm gonna do a white shadow because I like them white shadows on this stuff. And I'm gonna do the same thing for this camera. Alpha, a white shadow, bam. And basically that is how you guys make these dang thumbnails. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And to save it, you just go mash the little up button and it saves. You mash save image. And there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. See you guys later. And peace out. Bye.